This is a quick review for these T-slot anchor bolts. These are like an eyelet style, which is basically like a ring on top of this nut. Really easy to use. I've got them kind of ratcheted down here so they're not moving. I actually purchased the 4-pack or 5-pack of these. I'm not sure how many came with it, but it's been great. So I just have it. I have it on my roof rack here. I've got one in the front, one in the back, one up on the other side over there. So I basically have one on each corner. And I'm able to basically just tie things to it. You want to hang up anything off of your rack, you just need a place to put down a ratchet strap on your rack. These are great. There's no locking mechanism to them. All you really do is just loosen and tighten these to move them around. There is a lock washer that comes with them, so you just put that on there and you can move them wherever you want inside your channel. Tighten them down and you've got yourself an attachment point that is not a rack bar per se. It gives you a spot to put down ratchet straps, bungee cords, anything that's got a hook on it that you want to attach to your rack. These work for T-slot racks that have the slot up on the top or side, wherever you need to put an attachment point. They're pretty cool.